Arrma Creighton. Check it out. So recently we've been eating a few diff gears in this, and I think there might be something to do with how it's shimmed, between the ring gear and the pinion, the input gear and the ring gear and the rear differential. But the other thing that I've always kind of wondered is the plastic differential cases that are back here. Is there anything with where, after you've been running for a while, the heat build up in there, does that allow it to flex and bend more and help with that? I don't know. When we do the big jumps and it lands, does it flex and let the gears open up just a little bit? Maybe. I don't know. But Hot Racing, they make a aluminum diff housing for the Creighton. So we are going to put it in, and we're going to rebuild the rear diff. We're going to put all that stuff in and see if it makes it last longer or not. But I'm going to show you along the way as to how I put it in.